Welcome to Hearts and Bones Pilates.
My name is Tara Trout. I'm a physiotherapist. I do return to work programs and back to work as well as musculoskeletal rehab. So Hearts and Bones training course was through PNZ website, so the Physiotherapy New Zealand website. It was on their recommended course list for professional development for physios. So I was looking for a course that basically would help me run classes that I could tailor for different clients. Basically at work we wanted to try and add in another element just for rehab, and Pilates was the best option, and I read through your website and it looked fantastic, so thought I'd give it a go. If you want to be able to understand the knowledge that you've been given through any health professional training, or even if it's rehab-based training, fitness training, and be able to apply it and understand the mechanics of applying it, how to break things down, how to understand how to link everything together, this course is perfect. It offers a range of things that is required anatomical knowledge, as well as breakdown with very detailed specific elements to it that you can then apply quite readily into practice, into your life, into your training, as well as help feedback to others. So yeah, really, really good, well-structured course.
Excellent.
It's fantastic.